warm and wet turns to cold and dry for our Thanksgiving week. Come to the Ventnor City Twilight Holiday Parade presented by AutoLenders on Saturday, December 6th. It's sure to jingle all the way. Start your evening at 4 p.m. on the corner of Weymouth and Ventnor Avenues with crafts, eats, and drinks by local vendors. The holiday parade will then kick off at 5 p.m. on Ventnor Avenue, running from New Haven to Nashville Avenues. Santa and Mrs. Claus will be there, along with a performance by the Mummers, sponsored by the stores at Ventnor Plaza. Can't make the parade? We'll be live streaming the event on Ventnor City's website and Facebook pages too. The holiday spirit continues after the parade also. Go to the Ventnor Square Theater for Santa, balloon artists, and more. That's the Ventnor City Holiday Parade presented by AutoLenders on Saturday, December 6th. Use the hashtag #OnlyInVentnor. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. We have a great sunrise at the Cape May Cove down at exit 0 here. If you are traveling out of Cape May, though, traveling out of New Jersey, we do have some weather issues, and that's in the northern tier of the country. Cities like Buffalo, Erie, Minneapolis, St. Paul, and the Dakotas all have tough traveling over the next 2 days, as we do have a winter storm moving through there. So you want to make sure you're checking in with your carriers and making sure that you're staying safe if you're traveling to those locations. Another area where we have some weather issues is Seattle, and that's because we have a winter storm, and while there's no snow in Seattle, there will be rain and wind, so that could be an issue at the airport. All right, let's take it back closer to home here. We look at our radar this morning. If you turn on your generic weather app and you see that rain there, but it's dry overhead. So what gives? Well, turns out that radar actually shoots a beam at a slight incline. So what's happening is you're viewing sometimes precipitation thousands of feet high. And we have a lot of low humidity, 10 to 3,000 feet high. So this radar beam, for example, could be looking at something 15,000 feet where, yeah, it's raining there, but then it evaporates before it reaches the ground. All right, let's take a look at our future cast as we go forward in time. We're dry for most of today, but we are looking for rain showers to get into Monmouth County around 3 p.m. and then spread further south as we go into the evening. Now, it's quite possible that Cape May stays dry until 7 p.m. or so here. So the further south you are, the shorter drier your day is. We do see rain overnight for everywhere as it turns breezy. Then as we get into Wednesday, during the rush hour here, the rain starts to taper off. So it's really a Tuesday night rain. But then we see returning showers as we go into our late Wednesday here. A few showers on our Wednesday afternoon, starting around 4 p.m. or so. And then continuing into the evening here. This won't be a heavy rain. It'll be scattered where it falls. And then we're dry as we go into our Thanksgiving. But temperatures do take a tumble. So here's a look at the two wet times we have over the next 48 hours or so. Again, we should be dry for our Thanksgiving day, and this rain is not really going to have a big impact on the roads, the trains, or the airports here. We do get gusty. We get gusty as we go into Tuesday night with winds out of the south, gusting 35 to 40 miles an hour. And then again, as we go into Thanksgiving and into Friday, that's a cold wind, though, coming out of the west. For today, we have high temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees from Galloway all the way up to Highlands. Take you to our Tuesday night forecast, a mild night with that cloud cover around. And yeah, there could even be a rumble of thunder south of the Atlantic City Expressway. And then on Wednesday, how about temperatures in the mid-60s? Good for maybe doing some last-minute shopping here, walking around the stores before Thanksgiving. Going to be okay in the temperature aspect of things, but we do have a few rain showers during the afternoon. Thanksgiving outlook looks cold here across the area. Highs in the 40s. Feeling like the 30s, though, and that's going to be true for our turkey trots up and down the Jersey Shore. And we have plenty of turkey trots on our Thursday morning. All right, here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. Roller coaster ride of temperatures over the next 3 days, but it's more wintry than, we'll say, mid-fall-ish. Thanksgiving. Highs in the mid-40s, feeling like the 30s during the day. We pretty much do it all over again on Friday. Saturday's our coldest day in terms of the air temperature, but the winds will weaken, so those wind chills aren't as significant. We do get milder as we go into Sunday and Monday, but we do have some rain showers on the way with that. Make sure to check out our latest episode of Tidal Flooding Talk with Dr. Judah Cohen. It's our 2025-2026 winter outlook, and you can find it at 7 p.m. tonight.